Okay, we're going to take off this joiner nut now. Gears on there tight. Things have been dropped or something. See the bend in there? No difference in hole size. Yeah, that something's wrong with this generator. Shaft looks straight. We put red Loctite on it. A lot of it too. You don't want it coming off. Gear looks straight. That's all that matters. Did you clean this off?
No. Scraper fine.
I'm looking for it. On the other side. I don't know how many layers of gasket is on this thing. It's been hit right there. See the high spot? All right. Lost the goop. Okay. Exactly the wrench I normally use. All right. Your impact knocker and two different bits. The big fat one I like to use, which does not fit these screws. And a little skinny one I don't like to use because it breaks easier, but it fits the screws better. You have to get a feel for how much torque you're putting on stuff. Not supposed to hit yourself in the thumb either. See, move it a lot. See how it quits moving very much? That means it's getting tight. I think I got this one, didn't I? Yep. Check. Good and tight. All right, here's our 7/16 wrench. That does not fit in here. See, this is in the way again. There we go. Proper torque. Okay, now we need to figure out our timing on this bike. Now right now we have no valves on it, so top dead center could be right now or it could be another turn. To know where we're at, we're going to have to go ahead and figure that out. It isn't that hard to figure it out, but you do have to figure it out. Okay. Now the way you figure it out is you turn the motor over, and if the lifters are all the way down, they won't move, and if they're on the overlap stroke, they'll be moving. Now I know this one's open because this valve's way out. Plus I know when you put the cams on the marks, this valve's up anyway. So when I move the motor over, see how these are moving? It's overlap stroke. See how these here are not moving? We're in the compression stroke on this, so when you set the timing, we're not on the timing marks. So turn the motor over. When the Inzac valve closes, you start coming up on your compression stroke, and then you know you're getting close. So then you go on the other side and you see where you're at. Where's our Phillips at? Over here. The wrong way. Around the front. Okay, so we want to know where we're at. We are coming up top dead center here. We're going to be looking for a timing mark in that hole down there. That would be before top center. See that mark right there? That's our timing mark. Now we go back around and look at our distributor. Now, we're going to have to look at this a couple times first, but first thing you want to do is check it out, see what you got. You want to make sure the advance mechanism is working correctly. See how it springs back? Looks like it's supposed to. It's not stuck up. We still have to adjust the points, make sure the point gap is correct. Okay, so right now, the way this works is the motor turns over this way, and right where that line is where it pops the point open, see? So right now we're on a timing mark, so this should be at this location here, but you have to advance the distributor all the way and hold it fully advanced. See how you turn and advance it? And then it has to be right there, and that's when you drop this in the distributor. So, helps know where you're at. Here's that screw we had here. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this bolt in here now, so I got access. Okay. So now we're going to drop this in. You have a flat spot right here, which goes where the bolt is. To clear it. There it goes. And you can rotate it back to where it needs to be. Okay, so right now, see what the line is right there? Rotate around until it pops the point open. So that now we're about the right timing spot for the distributor. Now you got to figure out where you want the wire to be at. And right now the wire is going to be coming out this side here, which is not exactly where we want the wire to be. I kind of like having the wire over here on this side someplace. So right now the distributor for me is 180 from where I want it. So we have to take it back out, rotate this around until it's where we want it to be. Okay, where's our spot at? Drop it back in. Okay, now our wire will be on the back side over here. And we go over here and see if we're anywhere near where we want to be. Right now it cracks over here. Right there is where it opens. So right now our wire is over here. And our screw that holds it on is right here. So we got good access to that, but we got bad access to our wire. So if we move it over to here, one position, it'll be better. So we're gonna go back down here, get on our flat spot, lift it up. You see how everything's just moving around real easy? That makes it hard to do this job. I come back and see what happened because everything moved so easy. It moved a lot further than I wanted it to. Because this gear is super easy to move, which makes it really hard to do this job. Where are we at here? Okay, so now we're right here. So here's our wire comes out of here. Our screws where we can get to it. We got good access to our getting this all together on this side. Got access to this. You got to pull this off, so it's a good spot to be. Now this one you can move it 360 degrees, so it makes it, you can put it anywhere you want pretty much. But so you want to adjust everything so it's easy to get to. Okay, so for now, that's where we want to be on this. Now we also got a lot of free play in our distributor shaft here. This is all free play in our shaft. So now it comes time to timing this thing, I got to put a screwdriver here, advance the gear one way, hold advance and open, rotate the distributor, so you need 3 hands. That'll be fun. Okay, so that's where I want to be. I'm going to go find me a bolt that goes in here that we seem to be missing. And then then we're going to check our point gap and come back. So, we'll come back.